Every year, millions of python skins are transformed into luxury shoes, handbags, belts, and accessories that adorn the world's elite. Hidden in every glossy handbag or finely stitched belt is a material whose journey few ever see. From the moment the skin is collected to the point it becomes a high-fashion item, a meticulous industrial process ensures quality, durability, and luxury. But how exactly does raw python skin become a designer product worth billions in the US? This is how python leather is made, from start to finish. Across Southeast Asia and parts of Africa, python skins are collected and traded to meet global demand for exotic leather. Every year, the market moves millions of dollars worth of raw python skin, supplying fashion houses, luxury brands, and specialty leather craftsmen. The skins vary in size, pattern, and quality, but all undergo rigorous inspection before entering industrial processing. How does the industry maintain consistency while handling such rare and delicate material? The journey of python leather begins long before it becomes a luxury handbag or belt. Once the skins arrive from collection centers across Southeast Asia and Africa, the first step is inspection and sorting. Each skin is carefully examined for size, pattern, and quality. Flaws such as scratches, uneven scales, or discoloration are marked and separated, ensuring only premium skins proceed to the industrial process. This meticulous sorting sets the foundation for consistency and precision in high-end products. Next comes preservation. Raw python skins are naturally delicate and prone to decomposition. To prevent this, they are either salted or air-dried under controlled conditions. Salting draws moisture out while maintaining texture, whereas drying ensures that bacterial growth is minimized. Both methods protect the intricate scale patterns, which are essential for luxury aesthetics. During this stage, technicians also record each skin's origin, size, and quality in a digital log, creating a traceable chain of custody. Once preserved, the skins are cleaned to remove dirt, blood residues, or natural oils. Specialized brushes and solutions gently prepare the surface without damaging the delicate scales. After cleaning, the skins are softened through a combination of controlled humidity and mechanical manipulation. Rolling cylinders or hand-stretching devices flatten and align the scales, ensuring the leather will behave predictably in tanning and finishing stages. This process can take hours, as even minor errors could compromise elasticity or durability later. The flattened skins are then trimmed and adjusted for uniformity. Uneven edges are removed, and skins are sometimes patched or merged with other pieces to maximize usable surface area. Industrial-scale facilities often handle thousands of skins per day, requiring precise conveyors and automated handling to maintain efficiency without sacrificing care. Finally, each batch of prepared python skins undergoes a quality control check. Technicians verify moisture content, flexibility, and surface integrity, recording the results for later reference in tanning and finishing. Skins are stacked, labeled, and packaged for the next stage: tanning. By this point, the once raw and fragile material has been transformed into a manageable, high-quality input ready for chemical stabilization and long-term durability. From inspection and preservation to cleaning, softening, and preparation, these initial steps determine the final product's luxury quality. Every decision, from sorting a single scratch to aligning thousands of scales, ensures that the skins will meet the exacting standards of designers and consumers worldwide. The industrial precision applied here bridges the gap between raw python skin and the multi-billion-dollar leather products that follow. Once python skins are cleaned and prepared, the industrial process shifts to tanning, the stage that transforms delicate skins into durable, long-lasting leather. Tanning begins by immersing the skins in large vats containing a precise mixture of chemical solutions. Chromium salts are commonly used for industrial tanning due to their ability to create strong, flexible leather while preserving the unique scale patterns. Skins are carefully rotated in these vats for several hours, allowing the solution to penetrate evenly. Inconsistent exposure could weaken the leather or alter its texture, so every movement and timing is carefully monitored. After initial tanning, skins undergo neutralization. This step balances pH levels and removes excess chemicals that could compromise the leather's quality. Technicians frequently sample the skins, testing flexibility, moisture, and chemical absorption to ensure uniform treatment. Neutralization not only stabilizes the leather but also prepares it for dyes and finishes. At this stage, the skins begin to resemble the high-end material familiar in handbags, shoes, and belts, though they are still soft and unfinished. Next comes mechanical conditioning. Tanned skins are passed through rollers and stretching machines to align fibers and maintain scale integrity. This process enhances flexibility while reinforcing strength, ensuring that finished products will resist cracking or tearing. Specialized drying chambers carefully control temperature and humidity, preventing shrinkage or distortion. Industrial facilities often process hundreds of skins simultaneously, relying on automation to maintain precision without compromising the delicate scale structure. Dyeing follows. Natural and synthetic pigments are applied to achieve uniform coloration or specific patterns. Skilled operators apply dyes in layers, testing for absorption, vibrancy, and consistency. Some luxury products feature gradients or dual tones, requiring even more precise control during this stage. After dyeing, the skins are dried again under controlled conditions, ensuring the color sets evenly without fading or blotching. Finally, a protective finish is applied. Coatings or oils strengthen the leather surface, enhancing water resistance and sheen while maintaining the tactile feel of real python scales. Each skin is inspected for defects, with technicians evaluating color uniformity, scale alignment, and suppleness. Labeled and cataloged, the tanned skins are now ready for cutting, molding, and final assembly into luxury products. From chemical stabilization to mechanical conditioning, dyeing, and finishing, tanning transforms raw python skins into industrial-grade leather. Each step is designed to preserve the natural patterns, enhance durability, and ensure uniformity, creating a material capable of meeting the demands of designers and consumers worldwide. These processes bridge the gap between fragile raw skins and the multi-billion-dollar python leather industry. Once python skins are tanned, dyed, and finished, they're ready to be transformed into the luxury items you see in stores. The first step in this stage is precision cutting. Skilled artisans or automated cutting machines follow detailed templates for bags, shoes, belts, and wallets. Each piece is carefully mapped to maximize usable skin area, ensuring minimal waste while preserving the iconic scale patterns. The unique natural texture of python means every cut must account for scale alignment, symmetry, and aesthetic consistency. After cutting, the leather undergoes shaping and molding. For bags and structured shoes, the pieces are formed over molds or lasts. Moisture and pressure are carefully applied to maintain flexibility without compromising scale integrity. This step defines the product's structure and ensures that the final item will retain its shape over years of use. For thinner products like belts and small accessories, shaping is combined with edge finishing to smooth out rough areas and enhance durability. Next comes stitching and assembly. High-strength threads, often nylon or polyester, are used to join the pieces with tight, uniform seams. In luxury goods, double or reinforced stitching is common, especially in high-stress areas such as handles, straps, or soles. Every seam is inspected during assembly to prevent imperfections that could affect performance or appearance. In some cases, decorative stitching or embossing is added to enhance the product's design while maintaining strength. Hardware installation follows. Buckles, clasps, zippers, and other metal components are added with precision to complement the leather and ensure functionality. Artisans test each moving part to guarantee smooth operation and longevity. Some high-end products incorporate plated or treated metals to resist corrosion and match the design aesthetics. Finally, the assembled products undergo quality control. Technicians examine every item for color consistency, scale alignment, seam integrity, and overall finish. Any defects are corrected, and only flawless products proceed to packaging. Once inspected, each item is boxed, labeled, and prepared for distribution to global markets, linking the raw python skins to the end user. This stage transforms industrially prepared skins into tangible products ready for sale. Through precise cutting, careful shaping, meticulous stitching, and rigorous quality checks, raw python leather evolves into luxury handbags, shoes, belts, and wallets. Every piece reflects the combined effort of industrial processes and artisanal craftsmanship, bridging the natural patterns of exotic skins to the multi-billion-dollar global fashion industry. After quality control, python leather products are ready to enter the global supply chain. Finished bags, shoes, belts, and wallets are carefully packed in protective materials to prevent scratches or deformation during transport. Climate-controlled boxes and shipping containers ensure that the leather remains supple and retains its vibrant colors, even over long distances. The logistics process is meticulously planned, especially for high-value items, with secure handling and tracking from factory to warehouse. Products are then transported to regional distribution centers or directly to retail outlets. These centers act as hubs where orders are sorted by destination, product type, and priority. Automated systems often assist in inventory management, scanning each product to maintain precise stock records. This ensures that luxury retailers receive exact quantities, allowing for synchronized launches and restocking schedules. Some items are reserved for high-profile clients or special events, requiring separate handling and expedited shipping. Retail preparation includes unpacking, final inspection, and display arrangement. Luxury stores often showcase python leather products under carefully controlled lighting to highlight scale patterns and color depth. Staff are trained to handle the items with care, maintaining the brand's quality standards. Additionally, some products undergo minor adjustments or polishing to ensure consistency in appearance and tactile feel before reaching customers. E-commerce integration adds another layer to distribution. Python leather goods sold online must meet the same quality standards. Products are photographed professionally to accurately represent texture, color, and scale alignment. Packaging for online orders is secure, with cushioning and protective wraps to guarantee the product arrives intact. Many brands provide tracking and insurance to maintain trust and ensure customer satisfaction. The global market for python leather is extensive, spanning luxury fashion houses, specialty boutiques, and international distributors. Demand is driven by unique design, durability, and exclusivity. Raw python skins, processed and refined through industrial and artisanal stages, reach consumers as part of a multi-billion-dollar industry. Each product carries the story of careful sourcing, precision processing, and meticulous craftsmanship. From factory floors to luxury stores, python leather items travel thousands of miles, bridging the gap between natural raw materials and fashion-conscious consumers. The journey of a python skin demonstrates the combination of industrial efficiency and artisanal skill, creating products that are both functional and desirable. Through this integrated supply chain, the exotic patterns of raw python skin evolve into high-end handbags, shoes, belts, and wallets, ultimately defining a niche segment of the global fashion industry. The journey of python leather from raw skin to luxury product is a testament to industrial precision, artisanal skill, and global demand. Each skin is carefully sourced, processed, and refined to ensure consistency, durability, and aesthetic appeal. From the factory's grinding, tanning, and finishing processes to quality inspections and final packaging, every step maintains strict standards. These processes transform the unique natural patterns of python skins into bags, belts, shoes, and wallets that command attention worldwide. For consumers, these products are more than fashion statements. They are tangible connections to a complex global supply chain. From mines and farms to factories, shipping containers, and retail shelves, the path of a python leather item demonstrates how raw materials are elevated into luxury goods through a blend of technology and human expertise. Through careful planning, automation, and skilled craftsmanship, python leather becomes a highly sought-after material, bridging nature and design. The industry not only fulfills consumer desires for exclusivity and quality, but also supports a vast network of workers, suppliers, and artisans whose labor is essential at every stage. If this journey amazed you, share, like, and subscribe. And don't forget the bell so you never miss how the world is made, from start to finish. Now imagine the raw power and scale of a crocodile farm, the enormous skins being prepared for luxury products, and the multi-billion-dollar industry built around one of the most formidable predators on Earth. Up next, how billions of crocodile skins are transformed into luxury fashion, from raw hides to coveted accessories.